I don't like being diluted, and I don't like diluted people. It's just not my cup of tea. I don't have to be the minutia. I can actually be the creative that I am. I know when I haven't done well. I don't rest on my laurels. I think it's imperative, my prerogative and my responsibilities, not in a flippant way. Let's see what the 2 year has to say, but in a serious way. I am matriarchal. You know me as well. I believe in the power of love. I never believe in social life status. I was ferociously against it. I think it is the society. But don't worry, I'm very vavavoom. You're gonna see a lot of me, a lot from me, and a lot about me. There's something about orchestration. If you're not on the right track, it's gonna be hard for you to succeed. It's a catch 22 kind of a thing. That's why you have to be yourself in whatever you're doing. Don't worry about anybody. Because the way you are off for yourself, that's how others are off for themselves also. And most people act condescending. Nobody send you. Nah, you don't know. And the world can be super fragilistic, espialidocious if you succeed. But sometimes I find myself in a state of discombobulation. But you know me, I am determined. Nothing will break me. Just know what you're doing and why you're doing it and how much more do you want to succeed. No matter discombobulation, you will find your way.